How do you charge a Womanizer Premium? Let's find out today. I'm going to show you how to charge it and how to take care of it. To charge the Womanizer Premium 2, it's very simple and easy to do. In each set, a USB charging cable is provided. As you can see, it has two magnetic dots. All you need to do is connect it to the other two magnetic dots on the Womanizer Premium 2. Now these can be located at the very bottom of the toy. So simply attach the two together like so, and a light will turn on, meaning it's connected and it will begin to charge for you. The charge time takes 120 minutes, which is approximately 2 hours, and the running time after it's been charged is 240 minutes. If you found this video helpful, like this video, and why not try having a look at our product videos too? If you have a question, why not leave a comment below and we'll help you with your query.